State whether the following statements are true for all natural numbers. Now, natural numbers, that means numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. So we'll try putting values for 1, 2, 3 and check if it is true for all numbers. Okay. So put n equal to 1, we get here 2 plus 7, and this becomes 1 plus 3 raised to 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9, and 9 is less than 4 square, that is 16. Now we can verify that this is true. So the statement is true for n equal to 1. Now let's put n equal to 2. So this becomes 2 into 2 plus 7, and this becomes 2 plus 3 square. So 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 7, 11, and 2 plus 3, 5 square, that is 25. So we can see that this is also true. So that means when n is 2, this is true as well. Let's put n equal to 3 and check. So if it is n is 3, so it becomes 2 into 3 plus 7, and this becomes 3 plus 3 square. So 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 7, 13, and 3 plus 3, 9 square is 81. Okay, so we can conclude that the statement is true for all natural numbers.